Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use the Google Maps Shared List Scraper by ParseForge on Apify, or you can find the link down in the description. If you ever had a Google Maps list full of places and wish you could turn it into a spreadsheet in minutes, this is for you. This scraper lets you extract every place from a shared Google Maps list, including names, addresses, ratings, phone numbers, websites, photos, business hours, and more, automatically and in just a few minutes. So, how does it work? The input is pretty simple. All you need is a Google Maps list URL. So, for example, I found this list of places to see, eat, and drink in Mexico. It includes several locations, and all you have to do is click on share and copy the link, and then you come and paste it in here. You set the maximum number of items you want scraped. We'll do 30 for this run. And now, you either can schedule the actor or just run it once. We'll run it once for this demo. And now, we'll let the actor do its magic. Once the run finishes in just a couple of seconds, you'll get this dataset table in the Output tab. Each row represents one place, and it includes info like the names, categories, ratings, reviews, addresses, phone numbers, websites, coordinates, business hours, price levels, and more. It really depends on the list, if it shows any businesses or just places of interest. You can also download all of this data as a JSON, CSV, or Excel file, which is ready for analysis, planning, or importing into your own tools. And that's it. From Google Maps lists to structured data in minutes, no manual work required. If you're looking to set up a trip, this scraper can really help you organize your places to visit. If you have any issues, feel free to contact us.